Good morning from the GSM Workshop. I've got a bit of a surprise for people today. I have a new car. It's outside. This is going to be a great unveil. So I'm in the workshop. Workshop's getting really busy lately. I am, as I was in another video, forced into semi-retirement. Now I'm at home full-time and I have work to do at home in the workshop. I am doing a lot of small engine repair, things like that, and some car stuff and some quads and things like that. So workshop is really busy. So, you know, I recently just bought a mattress motorbike, which is behind me here. There's a video on that. And you know, I've got the Jaguar here behind me, the SK8, the 97. Outside the door is the new car. Some little hints. It has more cylinders than the Jaguar. It has more cylinders than the, where is she? The Range Rover literally behind me. And it's not British. That's another clue. So, without further ado, I go over to walking backwards here. I will turn the camera around. And I'm also using a new camera as well. And we'll open the door. We'll see what we got. Yes, it's a Mercedes. A German car. I've had several Mercedes before. I love Mercedes. They're really nice cars. This is a 1995 SL 600. And it has a V12 in it. It's a bit dirty because it's been a miserable few days here. Here it is. This is just a quick walk around. I'm going to do a full in-depth video later. We'll open this door for now, see what's inside. Beautiful leather interior. I have the hard top on. It has a fully functioning soft top. And I'll do a video of that as well, the operation and getting the roof off and operating that. Nice wood interior, all leather. Beautiful seats. Bit dirty around the back. Again, oh, V12. I have never owned a V12 before. Walk around. Yes, I'm in Alberta, Canada. Not very nice day today. You see my collection of cars behind as well. And a glider trailer. I am a glider pilot. Oh, let's look inside the driver and I'll open the hood. Here is the driver side. You'll see the instruments. It's got 150,000-ish kilometers. It does have a few issues, which I'm slowly working my way through. I've only had this less than a week. I've got most of them sorted. I'll open the hood, or a bonnet if you're British. I am bilingual, I have to be. And here is the catch. And here's all 12 cylinders. It is an amazingly smooth engine. A quick tour of the engine. If there's any wind noise, I apologise. It's starting to get windy here. And this is a new camera. I'm also a photographer. I'm on Instagram. Never done a photography video. I might do one of these. The camera I'm using is a Fuji X-T4, brand new. But anyway, here's the engine. Anyway, I think that's it for now. It's got a wonky Headlight wiper, another little fix. Body though is incredibly clean. Just, I couldn't resist it. Oh, do you want to know how much I paid for it? Close this down. There's even no road rash on the front of this. It's in excellent condition. For a car that will do 0 to 60 in 5 seconds, 390 something horsepower around there. I can't remember exact figures. Torque is amazingly as well. It's 400 and something. I don't have the exact figures in front of me, but it goes. It's very comfortable. I paid 5,000 Canadian dollars for it. I don't know what that works out into English pounds. 3,000 pounds around there. And behind me is the XK8. A bit dirty. I had to leave it out in the rain yesterday. I need space in the workshop. Anyway, turn this around. Thank you for watching. More to come soon on the Mercedes, the SL600, and on the Jag, and on the Matchless, and all the other projects I got going on in here as well. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Lots more to come. Thank you. Bye now.